If you're a fan of lightweight two-strokes, get ready, because Yamaha just dropped a 2026 YZ125 that's turning heads and kicking up roost. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this might be the bike that sets a new benchmark. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Let's dive into what makes the new YZ125 such a standout in the 125 cubic centimeters class. Design. Yamaha has stuck to its race-ready roots, but the 2026 YZ125 features some sleek refinements. The aggressive bodywork is sharper than ever, with a slimmer seat and shrouds that give it a more modern, factory look. The ergonomics feel tighter and more balanced, especially for riders who like to move around a lot. And that all-blue finish? Classic Yamaha, the clean, bold, and unmistakably fast-looking. Performance. This bike still screams, literally. The updated liquid-cooled 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine delivers crisp throttle response with a smoother power band than previous years. Yamaha's tuning gives it a nice low-end punch without sacrificing that high-revving top-end power we all love in a 125. Paired with a revised 6-speed transmission, shifting feels more precise and responsive, ideal for carving up corners and blasting through straights. Features and technology. Yamaha didn't just tweak the motor, they added some smart upgrades. The updated KYB suspension front and rear offers more adjustability and improved damping. It's plush where it needs to be, but still aggressive enough for hard hits. The new intake system and revised carb settings mean better fuel atomization and cleaner burns, more efficient, more reliable. And yes, it still keeps that legendary aluminum frame for a perfect mix of strength and weight savings. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Yamaha YZ125 the king of the 125s? It's definitely staking its claim. Lightweight, responsive, and race-ready out of the crate, it's built to win, or just make every ride more fun. If you enjoyed this review, drop a comment below, let us know what you think of the new YZ or which bike you want us to review next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more fresh takes on the latest in motocross and powersports. See you in the next one.